pretty alright in their sound performance. And they even have bass treble control, they even have multiple possibilities to connect. But sadly, there's one thing I did notice with the speakers is that if you push them on high volume, you do get a bit of an hissing sound on them. But funny thing as well with the speaker is because they are white with black drivers, you do have a big contrast between the parts. And also funny is that even though the speakers are pretty low priced, they do offer a balanced input, which means you can use that for your editing of your sound. And also the overall performance has been done pretty nicely with the bass in the deepness. Don't expect big deep bass performance, but you do hear some separation between bass performance overall. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples so you can see yourself a bit how these speakers perform.
No vision, I'll be blaming it on divine intuition. I'll be praying for a divine intervention or anything else that gets my attention.